Don't go anywhere. More coming up.
Because good music can be so hard to find. So hard to find.
Get it here.
It's your boy Travis. Gym class heroes, baby.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
Across the world, your full good party radio station.
Summer radio.
Okoman Radio 97.1. We bring on the best.
The holding answer and then Molana also because of March, you know, and easy. Kwame Amponsah Addi Kotoko, a team can say, Wababa Toya. If this is Division 1, the butcher, Namolana, idea would have been Pempeswano, and then some way Macadi, over being an idiot at Ajini Posua. And March and more time, and easy sound from my by the bit my idea, bit my beer. Kotokonetim Katua, only Missia, that's all one way. Yes, we are one way, a day train, intimidation, an idea. Some go see you, sanity, then go stars there. Remember the party, born a bit my one name. Go stars.
I need a papa, I need a I need a papa, I need a I crash of folk. Me, why you need me catch them say much a boy in a man. Me can let us in the Sunday Saturday match league. And then a boy a cooperation cup, then a boy league. And then go 2 goals Nabano. A Totoso has supporters no Bianco for AK 47. Meanwhile, I'm a machine gun. You I crash of folk. First goal, the Charlie Lamonde. Second goal, the Jabba Yobu. But a referring me, a cover from Biazo free. I crash of folk. You my foot on the back, don't go into me. Then you move them off from my way. The show we are never got to pay no more. The show we are or you move free man, never got to have a pay. I crash of folk.
The show 1 year, no, and you're dreaming, sir. I qualify for the league in any qualifier by representing Ghana and yes, I got Mr. Bika do say, man, you all recruit in Mr. Bika do say. And also, man, see a panodia, and I saw about boy in Africa when I'm party. Oh, now, that's what TBW, and I'm my friend, and I got to go defenders. Yamaka, Gobasa, Korea, Kate, Monsieur Omo, Botro, Kabima, Kodasisha, trainer, and young me, and Madame will be a friend of Dimo. Uncle Robert is uncle. Robert and another. Sabla never pra. I was Sabla never pra as the captain of the team. Tina Ibrahim Sunday and I am assistant. The require operation by Nanya dear Mahoke can meet me about during the game. Africa.
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world. From the capital city of the United States of America, are you
It's this media man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Right, Okoman 97.1. And then Yawada 24th of February 2022. Now show Brenna Simana about Padonko home. Okoman Global Sports on Okoman 97.1. When we say Transi and I send 7 Dawson, a good year Munsem, yet Transana first year to make the home come off ya. But your for her, writer commentator Transi, but me at the Akona just say, Fist I'm not your bar. Azubane, now 72 na dawa Munana. The bonnet ball. Samson and Chacrobia Santiba joining for team no solid. Yura Kofi Anton powerful executive producer, head of sports, stroke producer extraordinaire. In some in our boy no assistant kama the amaye. Nana Kofi Courage man, supported by DJ Zigibi, DJ Tony, DJ Vice, Donzi. Samson and no Damia Puya Chidom. Jeff Kufu Boating, the team is solid. Every and Sambeni about share. The UEFA Champions League and matches to me to job. And the Europa League in Super Koso. And they won't Pupuin in Ababa. Samson Yababa share the Ghana Premier League. Only saying China Meme Dana Kwesiada. Second round on the best shot here. Yabeko teams in the Bia catching ya could think commodity free war. Yeah, be so say first round and that saying second round the I wanted to say and a dang and I will share him. Meaning I am coming about do of ya. Yabeko Adriana Star Sakache. Samson Yabeko Bibian Gold Stars and Sonia couldn't come off your Naya Babe we now Carolina United. When and then come on me and say Babe Chichin. That feels to be start team no sound Buano sign echo. New sign in Tabemana. Titamu Kuchu Jumedian so. Median and Kwame Amponsah Addi. You can call me AK. Man, you know, kidding me. Parebekona manane sama pa. If you manane ba right at the fist and beba. And some more fear ha pa. Coach is in a kasa. Place in been so kasa. Say otete say ne yasi President Cup no ha sene kotoko. Ha supporters and say hey. Ha sene kotoko matches amu bono enya grow. Intine sabi obi antumi so are keke organize match and fama ha sene kotoko. Intine ha supporters say ansha no mama team na nkobo sa game no. Ebeti nkomo a ene no ori ne de Kwame Oparado. Oye PR de ma ha sen so edi aba. Na fin so etumi di nkomo de afa ho. Entine sane ya ne be kora finsama ne nsama pa. Ye pa ne ye fisem ne so ato aso entine yanko na finsama ne nsam yenso no yemfamra.
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio, no hay arquero.
Okoman Radio.
¿Quién le pega? Gio. ¡Golazo! ¡Poema de gol! Apago la luz y me voy. ¡Golazo! ¿Qué me importa que me asesinen la garganta mientras se maten a goles? ¡Golazo! ¡Aso!
right into Sanyu and I want to say the UEFA Champions League and no matches na ultimate Koswa na say enya sim kuma super and no matches aneto dwana say anu den papa entere yamfa results no enso no entumi yamfa ntudwa enso no emfa mamona fenso no oso wa huni ekọ ene ne ban na fixtures na say results no enu ada say na no so etumi esifa kwa ya tieniye na yeso yamfa ntudwa enso no emfa mawdia na no say na koye Atletico de Madrid ukopiem wo Wanda Metropolitano na just say ne no Manchester United team no and I'm so the point here say enya sim kuma ene game ne ko na wie ye no na just say 1-1 and a sam match na so and also team akobia na say United team no kopiem wo away etimi kopo go baako and so and na Atletico Madrid so etimi say baako na say Brandon dey and Joao Felix Hesiquera and a ball go no and Atletico na so antentam a Brandon dey and so and Anthony Ilanga Jr. and na 85th minute no and also take no etimi ma United team na niama so koso e was that game no na be PM Portugal dia Estadio da Luz no na say Benfica team no and so to me any Ajax Amsterdam it me the Bonia is a game no corner we you know 2-2 and a some match no so etimi ko wie ye a Brandon dey and so Roman Zamakov so etimi bogo ma Benfica team no a Brandon Sebastian Haller bogo na so ba take no etimi ma Ajax a Brandon Sebastian Haller and no obo ongo no sign take Canada ma Ajax Amsterdam team no Samson a Brandon dey Duzan Tadic so etimi bogo ma Ajax team na and also na etimi ko wie ye 2-2 and a some match no so esifa ekoya and also enya sim kuma we fixtures and the results etumi tocha the UEFA Champions League ma yenso yetumi dia bana super yenko the Europa League no tieniye Europa League no matches and also betuma tocha no enya fedi agotie na se no so matches tocha Europa League no enya sim kuma na ansa na the Europa League no bepa no yenso gokin chat no UEFA Champions League no a Brandon in Sebastian Haller and so now Ajax what my boy 11 goals Samson Robert Lewandowski Bayern kwa 9 goals our home a Brandon in Mohamed Salah Gali and so to say 8 goals Samson and Christopher Nkunku our Leipzig what my boy 7 goals Cristiano Ronaldo Manchester United afi what my say 6 goals and so our UEFA Champions League man. And also no yet to me area about top assist no nipa no Champions League no oma master dodo no this is in any Bruno Miguel Borges Fernandes our Manchester United what my 7 assists a Brandon Leroy Sané or Bayern about 4 assists a Brandon Kylian Mbappe Lutin and so to 4 assists and I feel so no a Brandon Anthony and so now Ajax about 4 assists our Champions League no when so the statistics kakra eto jo UEFA Champions League no yes so yakona zigi yanko Europa ni mu na feel so yan fa fixtures no and fan to jo enso na fa mamo senya sim kuma ewo na Europa yenso ye panako piemu so dia match sebetu atodwa ewo Europe no ekeme so erepa okopiemu stadion eya Makesima na se ne Dynamo Zagreb so atena fie 5:45 no so ne Sevilla etime dia boani a enya sim kuma refa ne dia François eya Liataza from France no ono no be gina sa game no mo na fe so atuma to ayirem ewo sa big game a eno so betodwa enso no ewo Dynamo yetumeria pa Stadio Olimpico de Rome no eno ay Italy mountain so SS Lazio enso betina fie na fenso no 5:45 no on FC Porto enso etima po referee dey enso dey Dennis Atinkin enso from Germany enso betima po na fenso no watch some match no so na Olympiacos tieniye Olympiacos team no enso etina fie 5:45 no enso na Atlanta etimi dey po ni no because so referee Carlos De Cero Grande from Spain and then also kwa kwasa game no enya senkuma 5:45 kwana so no Real Sociedad betina fie and so no na fe so atonsa and for RB Leipzig no so etimi dia boy ni Anthony Taylor from England ono na besha sa game no so na bibia so no etimi koso na Stadio Diego de Armando Maradona na say Maradona the dia dia to stadium no so eno no Napoli etna fe 8 p.m. Napoli 8 p.m. ane pobo kwa ni din ane FC Barcelona ane metima bo referee ni din enso ane Sergei Karasev from Russia ane akwa na afenso watimi eto ahye sa game no so na afenso ni ametima koso na Ibrox Stadium no Rangers 8 p.m. enso ane Borussia Dortmund from Germany enso betima portie Dortmund na ekwa away no so ne Rangers betima po referee Antonio Miguel Mateo Lajos from Spain so betima po na sa match no enso etima koso ho ye dia to join Estadio Benito Villamari no na say Robert is betina fie no so ne Zenit St Petersburg enso etima po referee ni dey Halo Omoten so no from Turkey and ekwa kopo na first game no etima koso Estadio Municipal de Braga. Yes, a big game. Tienye boy kwa ni Sporting Braga 8 p.m. on also any Sheriff Tiraspol way white Sheriff and then kwa kopo abrante ni deni and Rasa Kapalora sheni so betima nya first European game etimada and ma Sheriff Tiraspol Sansuna abrante Edmonado and so betima jemu na niama so no etima koswa ya dia pa ne go pia Europa Conference League no zegi Europa Conference League no matches betuma to twa no enya simkuma ene matches to do na betuma to twa Europa Conference League na se senetie bobo kwa ne den enso are glimpse etina fie 5:45 no so ene Celtic etima po Samsung akopia Maccabi Tel Aviv Israel etina fie no so ene Philip Sporting Eindhoven PSV enso etima po referee Haaland Lenche from Austria etima boa na game no so etima koso Stadium FK Partizan no Partizan Belgrade 5:45 and so Sparta Prague from Czech Republic and a referee from Bulgaria Georgi Kabakov and also a boa na first no game no so etimia koswa enya sim kumara Karabag okay and so net na 5:45 no ni Olympic de Marseille and so etima boa yan so yare ba referee Bartos from Poland and also boa na game no so etimia koswa na nwumre enya sim kuma o the Europa Conference League mo matches no do so back Thessaloniki and so 8 p.m. and the Pobo kwa ni FC Midtjylland and so etima boa Lawrence Ayevisa from Belgium and referee and also kwa kosha sa game no Sounds Sinebo Stadium no Slavia Prague 8 p.m. and Fenerbahce and so betima bo Fenerbahce team no from Turkey Buana face so game no etima bo so referee Chris Kavanagh from England and also bo na match no and so etima kosto na kura mu no Vitesse Arnhem etina fie 8 p.m. no so Rapid Vienna etima bo referee from Denmark Jacob Kellett and also be na sa game no and so no etima cost 20 wey matches and also betima to twa Europa Conference League no ma yen so no yetimi area pa in some no dots so na Barcelona onum say ne omni Napoli and e be Europa League no zigi for Barca squad na fatu so squad Barcelona and so they call Europa League no against Napoli Napoli ni goalkeeper ni Marc-André ter Stegen Sergio Dest Gerard Piqué Branton ni and Ronald Araujo abeko Sergio Busquets ejremu Ricky Puig ejrem Ousmane Dembele eteka squad no home Branton ni and Adama Traore Branton Matthew Braithwaite team no home Samson Branton Neto Pedri Gonzalez Jordi Alba Frankie de Jong Ferran Torres Samson Branton ni Luke de Jong squad no home Branton ni Oscar Mingueza and so join team no Branton Eric Garcia and the face no Nico Gonzalez and so joining team no Gavi and so team no Branton in the annual Ayatanas and the face no Pierre-Emerick Emiliano Franco Aubameyang Gabonese international the hat-trick hero and so no team no and the Barca and she news against Napoli Napoli so no Nkunimdie and so be to call Elema Barca team no first league no 1-1 Camp Nou na say no so away go Rubia and away go Rubia enim nti we ko 0-0 e be ko extra time channel so 2-2 extra time 3-3 extra time na mom no win bad ya wa win come out no koduo wana ukọ no nti Barca squad no ene ne da so Facebook monso no motion some no draw so me fancy na yemeto aso enso no e ofie AK enso enemy dina wa mo join on Facebook no Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 Facebook YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1 Twitter Instagram Odam Yamo level on Instagram at Okoman 971 at Okoman 971. Also wait to join here for messages for bra WhatsApp SMS 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 for messages in Fabra or the bar. Yes, Benya Brennia can kind Macachero UEFA Champions League and our matches to draw and the Europa League Barcelona Equa win on in Napoli and so Etima bought Senamica Ghana Premier League Echina Meme da Quasiada matches no able to draw right Eric Fishers in Yabe Beko teams Nakachi near Yatimi Akodin Komo and so Ewo Ho Nabibia Sono Etima Kama but Senamica no had to folk supporters in a jar. Amuchirima has the team no. I'm going to call say independence match. Say President Cup. President Cup. The minister born 1st July. Na echo 4th match. Meaning say Independence Cup there. No, our supporters ni chema. Enya there. Ome pre say team no. Enkona omunko bo. San komoni nya ebeba. Na feels ya be di. About page na papa be on Facebook. Or some more fire. Samson a Golden Boy GH apa on Facebook. Or some more fire. And so enko and famamu. Where they are possible. Good afternoon, staff. Only your Jama music. Oh, only your Jama music. That's a Kwano. We're feeling Jamane pa. Richard inside Nwasu City. Udumase Krobo. Richard, menchao ewie. Right at Trase. Afisem or the bepa. Super. Bibia come on.
I'm to me hot inside Bible. As also one thing.
Oh, me one thing. Church.
Is that there?
Church.
Okay. What's the meaning?
And the eye crown.
Okay.
I'll be best say what they say I sabi about Bonnie at house.
Okay.
Say be cool.
Oh, nyame adu me dey yes.
E ba ko din comment here na.
Yes, e be di come yes.
Super.
Yeah, super fam. Oh, fam to battle. My fam went to.
Super yan fans am na bra.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own.
Women for officer Matthew so Jibedi so information at your family so Okoman Radio 97.20 live for joining of voice we can be piaso no etumi akonkan yes kotoko bass and run 24 pound to mapa kama pa na for be bia bon say yes amount for come was nya kwanya ehu kotoko new pass na ban joining live for Facebook opa no drop comment amount for start here comparison as a koroko yes bass ne sada nye kedwasa Lagos City bass one fair enti ye better comparison joining live for Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Sasuna YouTube yes obetu ya drop comment na bibia so no etumi akonkan semne doso ya bobo no else Pythagoras to wo fia no nya de se so ka to it Santic operation and pen kotia assistant the source yes so na say entempa free ga ka ka ti antebia ana pen for eretu jasa nyame atoma ukopima 4th March 2022 bo kwantini aso folk abeje penie na one krobia kumasi asamtoko area rentam so our the president kapenmu and Ben Kaka chairman Uranti Erikujo Fiano and Yebisa na Enchebia na Bo Kwati Ariaso Fokino Koroko Edwin Tam so our the Ghana Premier League President Cup Nekra Kujo Fiano yes President Cup Nekra so far Boyan Komo Kakra.
So the President's Cup no Afibia Yabo this year Omanpenye Munyam. When you say Ghana's will be 65 years 6 March my Ghana 65 years. It's in a track again this 2019 Yambo President's Cup will be built. The any penny for no track again any Emfa President's Cup and from Blue Pine Emma celebration. It's on the 4th Kotokonia as Beshawa Transport Stadium.
And the way Anna Komakra Gaka chairman Urati Arekujo Fiano Wadia Boy Yadia and a tear for no son to ga and Yebsa say Anabasa Kujo Fiano has the Kotokonoma Bonnet track can now say Mubama Muscabe and Upium.
Conference teams we move the 50,000. A movie and answer if you ever young car organization, ticketing, security, from class minimum 10%, 25%. In the second of Okoman or more, so one be present in Yama, it was also for my transportation.
Wey hare komakra Gaka chairman Kojo Fiano wadia base krobia Kumasi Santarako ani also for game no yes a team no bia bowia 50,000 obia benya e dia to na ta so pa ehon koma so no enya fidi agrona house of supporters ne dwa am say send is unti enche bia na house ne kotoko about the Ghana Premier League. I'm at the beauty of the game crab baso, but amunji tumunne and jimutumo tina say game number bo and mum and a communication director Piero and mabo continuous for Kwame Amponsah Addi just said yes. What the passes supporters no as a daddy or me braki baby woman ya woman has team in yet and was yes what ya to pa now on his supporters no e best at 18 come on.
Assignments will come on Friday, the 4th of March. If you ask them that we have to graduate with our supporters and everybody involved in the club, we're going to be in the game.
Wey are koma kra Kwame Amponsah Addi no kasama for mabo ko atini ya sofok wodi ya ba ya di emas retie for chebia na sofok prayer abranti atini up to assist no routine ya za wense na sentem na abranti no praka kranti no na onya akonya isiaka na abranti no esiaka ni tu abo ko atini krobia Kumasi Santarako awore Ghana Premier League week 7 abranti na koma kra dia ba se abro prakot na fie no chale na no de but obada twedi amponyanko pototo bonso bo so ni azazia se ese wa back.
It wasn't easy, you know. This question for people injured before, they tell you the trauma, the thinking, the loneliness, because you don't go out there to train anymore. You are always like on your recovery. So right from the very day that I picked down, the leg got swelling. So the next day that I had the MRI, started seeing the doctor, following the procedures and measures. It wasn't easy. It was a difficult task.
At the Abranti are up to Aziz Nuruddin. One player, Hermabo Quati, are a house of folk, Quadia Ba, Yadi Emas in it for 4 months of folk. Player Kofia Panga, yes, Abagamania. And then Kuma Credia Basse, Ghana Premier League, no, Abra no more starting up Bobo Quatini Kim Foisa, and I know you am so mad, but Stein Yamakono, as a Bobo Quatini Kotoko, Etiasu say, dear, Legno, or Meji.
I shall say, I'm a tipo in face a bit, leaking equally, I say, Dana. I hope so, or more form. You are more said, me, dear, bet my family.
At the house of four former player, Bangamania, and I'll tell you, Yobia, Okoman, and Fediago, president of the Ghana Football Association, Mr. Kate Yesokreko, na say yes. Refis no mukuma no bre refis no. Amen blame it. Why? Yeah, easy. Now they come back away. Edija refis no.
Refereeing has been key on the agenda, and I think that we've been very proactive. I mean, referees who have not been up to speed, obviously, are taken through the due process, i.e. when clubs complain about bad officiating, etc., etc. The match review panel is there to have a look at the performances. I think we are on the right track. Refereeing will definitely be on the rise. Don't forget, we also invested in communication gadgets for match officials, and we're going to invest in more communication gadgets.
At the Mr. Kes, you know, we are going to invest in more communication gadgets. What you are saying? And how come on? So I don't know. A branch thing, Eric Kobner Owusu, Ghana Nimapa. Yes, na a branch o kanka wenia in the year 2019, 15th June. 2019, you started from the senior national soccer team, the Blasters of Ghana, ABC kind of Ghana against South Africa, our friendly game. Ama in the year 2019, Ghana AFCON ya yakoi na Brantie Kwame. A Brantie ne koma credit apa. Ese what you want here see SM24 omo call up omo friend because oye Ghana ni but in Kawe and akomno usu adi ejaye.
Am I ready for Blaster? And as far as Yamiadum, it doesn't think of my neighbor team here. Anytime Diana, the reason or on purpose on that to Sapin Diano, I crowd, maybe me get a more. To me, Diana, now coach Diana, or Babette transfer, and our Babette team now, or Betun Sapin Diano. The woman, meaning Bonnie my own, and I meaning Adia my own, and I meaning Diamaya, Entia, I'm more than I said this. I made me, Mr. Ghana, and my crowd say, anytime we have to be a red Betun Sapin Dia, ever soon as Biano, and my prepared, you all know me for even 24 be now song said, then Bonnie, and I that Diana, I put away Ayoma, every activity, you're about to get up, you hear, Monton Sam Frame.
Ti obaje se yeno yanko bisa mpinifo no se then on no kobno wusu no dia ye on everyday this player as a player there's no need to talk like that see kobno wusu and to be the Ghana Football Association ti and come on so and you joining live for Facebook Krobia Kumasi Santorako Bas na Babetu Bas ne Bandra I'm first starting your comparison as a bus, one of the freshest and neatest and one of the sukutushest bus in the world capital.
Bus no.
Suba, bus no. Bus me who we are no Facebook.
Photo na me
go photo buy a bus.
Graphic design photo na me
Super. Nye be out ba.
O da bi se mi bisa se me a graphic design photo na me
Bus on bus na your bus na ba no.
Ani ni.
I don't know, but I'm out for your comparison. Say, how many Lagos City there no Efe.
Say ya na mba wi ebe dia Efe. Tomu guso brand e shop. Ana mo ye ayi.
Ti say ya no be no, ye say ya
na Efe.
Ba we Lagos City there no so ye fe.
Oh, Davi.
Oh, super. And Lagos City there black pa. Oh, super straight Lagos City there ni yo. Ete from general life for Facebook.
I say
Lagos City there na no odi o bla.
Lagos City no go there pe won the same bus. That's the design and I
probably. But the same bus.
We same one.
Lagos City there we ni mo. Baby ni ma obeye you baby you.
So be nti na make us one say afibia ne bus aye. To control modern.
Okay.
Control Efe.
Efe.
Design say be on say your designs on my.
Oh, but all design be the same thing. Two for the chikama. What you say? See,
Sanka team say what Ghana nyina.
Okay.
Benya kwenya atuma brandi omo senia. The lights of Lagos Cities Kotoko ne money
has mono. Yes.
And kebebo apa cause Lagos Cities actually the bus ya branding is solid.
Then this season Krabechim 90 years.
The branding is solid.
Hey guy, yes.
Has branding is solid.
Yes.
Kotoko previous bus and send iba no branding is solid.
Solid.
I think the branding is part of our football. Remember football they look attractive.
Yes.
So I say bus stadium na bus ni pia.
And no cry your mora.
Enough motivation.
Yes, the
team no. Emma was a team ni jina na.
Yes, my God.
But bus ni jina na so I say team no cry.
Oh, super.
So bus ni jina na.
Yes.
I also team no so jina
na. So.
It is sanity.
Oh my God.
Yes, Emma Mora. That be behind camera. So how you?
Super, no. And Jordan you assist to.
Jordan me.
Jordan are you? See I kind of Crystal Palace.
No, na me share na kakra.
Also no bobo. No bobo. House of Folk, almost 5 matches on or the Ghana Premier League.
Super, yeah, na include.
Super, be do come ba. Week 18, Saturday Omni Lagos City. Omo boy we amba be bo Wafa. No ma be boy Aduana Stars. Abe bo Ashgood. Abe bo Brekum Chelsea. And he has last 5 matches. Elwak Sports Stadium, Accra. Saturday we are. Accra Sports Stadium. Oma Kodoma. Aduana Stars. Nama home. Ashgood home. Brekum Chelsea. Kodoko Dream Sunday.
5 matches has been in 3.
Obe in 3.
Draw 1.
Elusu 1. Okay. The Odian come on. Kodoko Sunday. On the Dream FC. Kumasi we obetu akobechem 90 eno no mebo on Tuesday obeko bechem no ne bechem 90 eno no mebo on Tuesday esan say has ne kotokobebo President Cup what ya say nyame adoma next week enya saade ankobebo next week enti benefit to akose Tuesday ati ase na has de no ne wafa no mabo no Wednesday enti kotokobebo bechem obeko bechem owia no aba home Kumasi ni Go Stars Go Stars yes we are no wakwa away ko techiman and 11 wonders we are no betina fie ene nyina se for na bokai line 19 tie no also sky 4 out of 1 5 out of 5
I don't know kotoko ebe win 3
abodo 2 super yeah super I know come on as and you ever see the writer commentator nie Sam the toss your bobo and say Pythagoras na ye James Sesukato na ehon come so no enye fidia go time the corner him boss player eke take over
all right and the writer and I want to say Kano say ni so no ori afisem etumi eba ya be ya fortuna senior duty wa ha Krobia Asante and so ewa ha and yen camera nsem you be nkomo ofie na bibia aye kama you be call Aduana Stars akachi ana oze Go Stars bibia no Go Stars akachi ona wa krado ana ordinary to so na aye na afienso afa nkomo if you want say Ghana Premier League second round no esha sie eye echina memeda ana kwasiada games no beba na afin so no yetime di nkomo ewo ho but bright chop bar ewo du kromo biem bright chop bar ewo du kromo biem a omutie papa yenchi adwumayefo na ewo ho na yese maame ne ba ene ne birthday ntino birthday ni wa do birthday no bright chop bar no yenja papa yema happy birthday and I nso ye black the tailor smoke and then the birthday pama dia pa osana janse wa pama dia pa yen we no na we so abiem mommy abiem o Pentecost ama jamia so ama me krase ono so tie ntino yenchi o mu nyina ntino senior ma kwa we are fine
nyame adum bi e kama se na August tie nyame adum ye na ya certain kwam would do my wife I want to be more
don't my wife
yeah once we tie wo no tinti ankoma won would evergreen here master no pomado yeah always we mu pa da bia na me ba na we mu papa
Django so papa Django we na so be Team Madrid na Champions League na aka chin semfa aka chin semfa
Obefie
we are fine so we are
fine
what's got go mu bas na abedu
bas no ya be nana yawo
Amponsah
na ya Amponsah eke
senior mame nkoti nkomo we mfemfo na yembra yenko bibia no Go Stars akache na ye ne PRO e ma team ni nkomo yura PK ewa ahoma no so na ono so yentumi ene no ending nkomo e wo fia PK my good afternoon Emra Okoman 97.1 Zuba be hwe na enye yi PK otemenka
yeah me tell kan good afternoon
good afternoon yamo akwaba famia epio mantemu Okoman Radio 97.1 so ewie ya be wanya boni bibia no Go Stars akachi boko de
well me no me was na me say what you for bibia no Go Stars bibia for bibia for you in the sense that the second round of matches about the possible it's over the week in the preparation now just towards the second round of matches if like the Amiyadma for together and then also the boy against the shot junior the boy prepare now getting up for another team.
Na senior first round no mo shase na bo home games a nkunimdie ba until say korokoba na omo be say mo na afin so to folk ebe say mo first round no ususu say niama koye pa de ma bibia no Go Stars
niama koye nemo no and do pempen so a na yin essence we started very well by the point in time no na niama koye for my especially with our way games home this year the exception of effort for the heart I believe we need all other games I have home. And now that you find the antidote of the problem, that is scoring, because they create a lot of chances. No more nice to say. I don't think the piece that's Coach Michael say any management together with the backers, I offer players at least the high program between our service. Dusha, Prince, and I said 7 Owusu from the Team United or a striker in Napa. Prince, Obokwajima from Media Maya in Napa. And after Ebenezer Abuaje, we move now strikers, the other two Peter strikers, what are that? I believe that we have going forward.
When you Mami Misa Adiana and Bibian Go Stars going into the second round of the Ghana Premier League, mo share him say mo players and any team ni na mo ye area ma supporters no.
Well, the supporters day in and day out, and they have been with us. Even in our days in Division 1, Amaya is very supportive. And, we have nothing to tell them than to make sure that in the end they don't have to stay new or late anymore. As when I know you're good to have one man. You already critical and things, nobody has the critic and avenue for competition within the team. So that Obipiano, about up and doing now, the and no any good they do it. So as I speak to you, they are signing 7 new players. 7 new players are very briefly up there. Old players, maybe Go Stars.
Na mede usi no wako team bi mo yase ene yentia player weka and they were you see bonuses na ade kra my esa na say team no bibia no go stars sa de no e wo mu team ni mu
okato minya cause bibia nia your bonus your promise ya for felling na that I speak to you you need a man tie the player that who say you know my big boat a mining company sponsor as I speak to you team the brag in a ketia for the man in Romania I know the last match I bought I promise you almost 10,000 for winning bonus the ball draw management almost 5,000 and you know I believe that we are good to go.
Kwasi ada mo ko away any breakum Chelsea abo ebefa
sure ebefa ina nzaje to for all out now they make sure that between anya result that between ama your supporters in any change no na towards that I will believe say we will get good results from breakum Chelsea.
Okay PK my fan community na ye na wasese na awie nso no utumi ene Okoman Radio 97.1 edi nkomo afri eye bibia ni na wabo yemu se na bibia ni Gold Stars team no anso ekọ.
All right, me am some dem ati bi ni aduma pa mo
nyamisha so yenu ya PK ono eye PRO edema eye bibia ni Gold Stars ene ni nso no yetumi ene na di nkomo chiruma bibia ye kama bibia wa chirem onsi bibia ye fine bibia ni Gold Stars akachi ana say first round no na nkomo target ene zanka by now top 4 no musim but entumi ankobane sa almost say you maybe almost say but almost share news second round di niama so ebetumi akonkan kwasi ara woni brekum Chelsea away brekum oso almost share news at least anya hwekra no anka draw bi ebetumi akọ enso edi amoma ono so babare be ko na fe yedi nkomo no bi enso ewo but sene na meka no senior duty ewa se kotoko bass ne de mono chia ho
okay sene na meka no yedi nchia ma na ya o say you say oba no wo hwe marketing aspect na what is pep because we share see no watima ya me anya sponsors are one obetua the salary of the players we no obetua players neka nti no hu say is on course say we make sure say team no be den go na because say why had supporters na eternity because we share bass na aba na ege bass na ye kama wadi otumfo ne ablane na
senior my mean twa no but my go yin sa ankomo we fio yen kwa Adriana Stars akachi na ene maestro eni ko maestro PRO ma Adriana Stars senior awia bibia boko
na be me hu ye pa
yema akwa ban famre Puman tem Okoman Radio 97.1 so Adriana Stars Adriana ko so makachi
yeah, listen to the moment opportunity. Send maybe some years your best no in nothing to be here. Your ball first round no no management isn't successful and not break a crab because really now Sunday, Wednesday. It's not quite best being arrest. The management decided say my boys no like I can munko pie break come for 1 week. It almost resume last Monday training na boys resume and not the mobile so the coach at the mobile training would do more. They say mentally sound and physically prepared. I can the second round no ever start to consider Yemi Carella. And you know, you need injury situation be our camp. Your boys in Minano almost be available for selection. And you who say you didn't good start our second round.
Now okay say mubenya good start our second round mo. First round no not targeting it to say na mutumi achieve in the first round.
Well, as a matter of fact, you set a long-term goal. You go at 30 and say you set a league, you know. Now Diana FC, you know, Ghana Premier League, you know, because one real investment over the years, everything. Now the type of signings players I hope the mobile team more. You are the man any place this year before the league enough to Asia management, Asia technical team, no, and more the two. And say, Opase Oji League in North Africa. Yes, and the boss they are from being not the league. Unfortunate. So over a good idea you know to us better 6 games ni nyan lusu match bia I start here you lusu matches no na ha din kakra but ye okay the other is here that 4 position and that I will lead in so and I have 4 position is what you done you need to survey or that's what the content 9 points 9 points you know the dia bit Messi it you know yes how do you say but we are not league in here good football now you winning all of a sudden no the strategy and we did good but the Kunyan mu kasi acquired 9 points it's hard doing there but the better you know still remaining intact the better the Ghana league you know and then no dia the 5 year coaches the ball league na you know ya ba no mu ye target the yes nanka alifika ikiko shuga bona kananka da so first round of dia nanka second half no second round ya issue for the takano nanka da bona ka jagile ni baba dia da isia no ha gain but you will give 9 points you did not achieve na yes and for
na senior second round the Ariana Stars mo ya signing to be
the coach made the fact he didn't have striker into no yako Accra Get Olympics so yako fa one Abdulmanaf Mudasiri okay Abdulmanaf Mudasiri you only more say a team no there were about 2 or 3 recognized strikers Yaya Mohammed Baita J and Ketiwa Bekia ya family Tanabo Fakabai unfortunately in Ketiwa Bek by you know player ahano ntino anya dia other 9 cracker ball etina koka the strikers mean Yaya Mohammed ni Baita J and obia organa dia ni say Yaya Mohammed off and on a fan injuries ntino as a manage situation until na really nya strike about bia ka ho etino yakofa Abdul Manaf Mudasiri edene by ozen structure and na ho den sakwa pass the ball to make you did that dia striker mo and ewo Mudasiri mu no eti the number kind team no nanka ya work around the clock senke benya right full back and left full back one out and 2 number 3 back but Nadia yitimi ensaka bia available abeba kwa had no football mo pa no say o person sample or second round ya na o brave e can say tina order relegation zone boss company player amount but the amount of no call relegation and at the other sort of no very good player and fan amount the amount of on this one here on this league don't change and in paint no say league the over second round son and ya na panic buying and you play be apart from free players no ya na obre in your long run or you decided you can manage na ball give ya best and play ya kankanka ya number 2 and number 3 and some of the competitions they are Bandiama Abbas Mohammed and Hafiz Adams ya ometa number 2 and number 3 on ya yengo mapa
senior ansana yeribesi no ene no ede na Adriana Star supporters enhwemfem free team no
well the Ekate Adriana FC your supporters ni say omunna nya abotre na the Adriana nke say ya na ho na da south first one nya how kakra management ya take sa akonya na di break kakra no e dia solve no ba ko ni nyensa yeah, the church account as you consider by again Kavala United no. Yeah, from some yeah, started on a clear note. Na young media party. Yeah, you will continue our fight to say yeah, particular league no, and none but I against you say you know the league and when say in football no, I did be achievable. So maybe that that's right. Yeah, I'm a part of that's right no. So na yepese fight ya na ya gile gile say omonka empire boom na yenya injury free yenya fit players na you continue fight ko ise ebo league ni na yele ojide nyanka echi yele tima gile gile supporters na nya gidi e team
senior we dey camera ya fi na producer aka jira o say ayi mu team no bonuses na ade bibia kama mo tua ni nyina
because you can make certain gabo decide players now maybe a tialo ne ka beka be dia yedwe ni officially dia na FC player dia ni wa ya de meka in terms of salary any bonus. Adia baako you do the results on the man. Now you be saying, you say football, no. The having 3 points, motivation. But that motivation, after now, I look at the play, Diana football club. Or back at the dinner tower, Akatia bonus. You know, they challenge you, no. And you say, play to them, number for no Montreal players, you know, Mr. Players, and the Diana FC, the Mecca, and after the Mineta. It's in terms of a Katia Sunday. Diana Football Club, play Diana, the Dimeta, Nakobanda Roma, Iwa Domain, or you need for the Amaya for the first time, no, play Diana FC, Dimeta. You know, Akatia Sunday and bonuses there. Nakate Ghana, Diana Ibita, because no opportunity, no platform, this one, zero PR from the WhatsApp platform. Now, me can't class be more than I didn't play 8 months, it be 9 months, it be 7 months, it be 4 months. Now they are so they have to trade the idea. Like our official Ghana team only player cano. Diana FC, it kind.
I say if you do team players in the career 9 months on.
Oh, so you call the duty for things no the catcher. Maybe most I think good so but your platforms are PR for Yana. Yeah, share ideas. Yeah, again, information you wanna get and bad. It didn't
teams are Cassera and Ketuano.
I don't think you're corner.
Zine, oh, so now can I be? That's a teams are Cassera and Ketuano.
Diana FC, Manager Diana FC, Diana, any player, the country.
Okay, the senior man, I say, yay, also your command 97.1, Eddie Como.
Man, I them as I said, no platform, we are Konya now, Catasua, a Yaponia and many should agree.
And I say, Antino, you're maestro on a PRO, Edma, Adriana Stars, and I all the way from Doma, and also yet to me, and you know, Eddie Coma. As in our children was a teams in the platform was I want to
7, 8,
9 months,
7, 8. But one did one back.
Let me start watching was on the car.
Why are they?
On players in the car.
Why are they?
And to know your team now to play a car. Maybe so. Maybe so be a tuning in our
Obias on the car.
Obias on the car.
And you never Obias on the car. Never again. And you know, you again. Koto consumer. Again.
Obi the message. And na tama koto ko issue ni ba na WhatsApp. I say eke koto ko ne house for no John one ti aze. And I say aten. I say we check baby koto ko ne house. E grow akodu. Ma bobo na akodu. No say has be lanche basa na kotokofo na say has for be kan asem sa na kotokofo sere o mo ba se ne nyefe kotokonso e lanche ne basa has for so sere say o mo ba se ne kra say be nyefe ne ade nyina I say I don't two things say kotokone has upper bass level ho team no esuso sa no aka by now ebia omo ka say ne kotoko private jet has private jet abedu ene ye si yan ye stadium ye nya yan deals ne ade na bass de say be ejada nya bibia sa
no can no kware but unse if you want answer na yakotu
okay
unse pass manage bia ba won am team si two ni nyina but wo hwe say current management na aba na when we say no, this time football no is about branding.
That the mobile na bass ni team ni mo team.
Oh, bass wo, but we share bass na wo first na any bass here we nyepe.
Yes, Afibia as a koto Afibia we talk. Remember na ya be year for but yam kwa Carolina United akachi ewo ina say na yenkodi nkomo ho PRO e mo mo ni ama mia madam fopa no ni ama ewa mo no so ni awia bibia boko
no nyame adom bibia boko na se me gidi se muslim ho ye de
oh nyakopo adom any experience nti ye wom na aka yeboto meton kana ache
oh se onim se ne ye de nturi ensechi
mate
na se ne ya bibia bepete
mate minia na Karela akachi bibia boko
no nyame adom bibia boko ne mo mpa bo mfe ye bo wafa wiye no eni e mo mo some you 1 week break bi nti omo nyina omo ko fie but Sunday tue mu na omo report here na nyame adom Monday ni enura ni nyina no ye training ye di be kwa ko hia ediana na me ya doma Sunday doma.
Now my resume training first round near man said that me who Carola ye and now they who near mo target no in the first round mut me achieve here.
Well, I think your first round no in analysis no you share more in two folds. I mean the first one was that yesterday your first 10 games you have 10 points, which is averagely 1 point per game, which for us out of a possible 30, which wasn't good. And not and shut down Kuyi and Mayen. But not largely, it was due to inexperience in the side of majority of the players now catching up. Why wouldn't you say after last season, you dispensing almost 20 players. Emma, you did new ones by and I don't draw now no move for Division 1, any Division 2. And all the matches I have bono. Almost Premier League almost start, now can no more in something. Omar Bashiru, your captain Kojo Adai, and your winger Darlington. Now almost near coming in almost Premier League. Into not inexperienced no. But Namia Abdomino after 10th game your last 7 games your core Lucy game. We got very important away wins, away draws, and a home wins. Into not near a core, but out of points, you need the 25 points, which Ocean League table this one, Nanka and near bad. But you drop valuable points with fear, Nanka and Kakana, apart from last season, apart from Kumasi and Kotoko, share in every match, no need to me win, because it's me winning those matches now. I'm sure that by this time, then you had that it be a second and a first.
Now, players, injury situations at the time, more players be on my pra, and I say, Obian prior where Diana starts a catch it.
Not two players, not two players, Nanka, Omo issue, Kakra, Dogo, any, 3 players, Dogo, any Usubachi, the game against Ashgold, your head collision, Biama, ambulance crash, called Takradi Hospital. But Namia Domino, within Anya Wadia was started training. The last game against Wafano, your goalkeeper, Felicien Kotoa, on your Puli in Mazur Kakra. But Namia Domino, almost in Yababaka, almost started training against Ipiana. Namia Doma, I think we can have a full complement of our team.
Oh, okay. It's a Bibia, come out, Carla Catchy. Moko boy, Diana Stars, because you had more ball home, money Diana Stars, and Moko away, money Diana Stars, Moko, money Diana Stars. My match prepared, in couldn't be Baba.
Well, I think the Diana can draw a hodom. Sena Ubia, my and doctor, and I hit me in 5 now. Sena Ubia Cafe, I'll see you the only share what the money. Kana yeba akra obi asing ka Olympic be share aye ne ball draw. Nsa na yesi osu gwa kope dia who you influence me survive aye timi ko show mo. That is very possible against Indiana on Sunday. It's very possible. Indiana is beatable. If everything official to be fair, we are then fair playing field. Yeah, I'm sure fair. I mean draw and I win. It's na after the abiding that.
Let's say Kunumdi called the Amakarela. Na mija mo akwe. Mo players BBI kama. I be mo teams be Ghana ha ayana sabe winning bonus na ade to make ma na me no bi din ko teams ni bi kura no be 4-5 months kura ni winning bonus na ade kura mo ntua ma teams ni bi. Mo de na sa na tie.
Well, I think who fair players need to see a credit so salary last month no mo car. Yen di omukada. I mean even COVID time, you can indicate I fear more bubble. I mean, winning bonus media, no credit when you're no credit back, but sometimes, they challenge you more. And sometimes, if you call wafa, omoko win, not your castle, you're the moka wafa. But Mutiniko fa Idiana, instead of 2 winning bonuses, you're there in 3 mama. So it's sometimes, yes, I challenge you more. And if you talk to the players, they will tell you. Instead of Wafa, Ibiana, 2 winning bonuses, maybe 3 amount. And sometimes you can the challenge players, you know. So and also motivate you more win again. And sometimes you know better say yeah 1 million bonus being by but I don't say you said that means but we discuss with them and sometimes we use that as a bit to motivate them and get them to play at their maximum best to give us the result so that everything so more and the needed financial resources are as players.
Na eden aka check Carolina fans nyina wo payment mu ene Ghana fere nyina say
well I think say you better massive first round no you have to first game nyama nchode anko yi but I mean I'm nya but I mean both physically spiritually and with their resources and everything no muta cheaper ama nyama adom bibia the year fine that's almost say na agimpa almost tight mechi support among the Mayan. I'm course more passage and support in the Mayan. And I may dinner and I do my friend really first round. You bet to also near Cossack around you, boy or button.
Okay. Where the camera Richard Baidu hat goalkeeper no nanka mopeno Musat Mikano.
Well, let's throw my heart of book. Some are transferring to the but I'm sure that a boy a baby but no you didn't every time any bomb come on he knows he's one player so the best next season back on.
Okay senior I now was in na every young fan come on in NC there was a cell ni one Okoman Radio 97.1 a payment temu edin come on
yes no that much but when you be home
Mati senior. And you know, PRO Edema Carolina 19 ran Niama and a name so no yet me and in a ding come on and so Carolina Akachi wa boy mu pa yes sinko chirima e kapadi obi and obi aka team no say prepared against Ariana Stars omoko na drum pono omunya ebeboa na omo target ni win. I say bibi ansono etimi ayekama senior the korongo say chira baba to aso ba ntino bibi kakra be kade afa nkoma ye di
ebeda prayer for every nyina ase cause wuti obi ase woni timu neka
yes
obi aneka but ye be ko off air ye be free players no because wade wanka ntino yes was waneka ntiye kwa hwem ye ba ko hwem ne ye de abere won no we say no because when you play an card, you because I'm a player in Jim Bobono, because what one far I as a pioneer then ancient a bank. It is what you are a card here, and now I also in the non so born my camera. And take because and yet you know, we said an aquam pepe, but you make sure so obey your marble so. And you say what must players and one more sanka because the players in your comfortable what born a winning united and what won't take it. You better not can am watching now, yeah, by a trasso, El Cotocoso.
Okay, and here senior on duty. Kobia say yeah. Oh, yeah. Kobia Zuba say.
Azuba, yes. You not PR for no be brutal fast. As a year bomb.
Yeah, the ono you mama.
Oh yeah.
Madam for but you mama. But my studio on no sell one side.
Oh yes, ono. Make so far. A Bagana say one of the best PROs.
Yeah, ono the friend.
Yes, so friend I know a fan. Oh yes, but Zuba see a Kowe boys in the monitor from our Samai.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, our boys in the monitor because one of sending message so a dimpa monitor.
Okay.
CSC boys in the Siamia Duma. Man, yes, almost some youth debate.
Football debate.
That be a debate. Is it good to date before marriage? No, yes.
As I maybe the cinema call.
Oh, David. So I tell say I'm my Monday.
I won't watch man. Bobo I just say now someone Jim Rabbe.
So I know
be a friend of courtship. Oh,
super dicey debate.
Super, nyani ebedi. Jawa warara.
Super jawa warara.
Ah, o chempra.
Dabi me chempra but me go straight away, me worry straight away. Ati ase.
Uso ya no afọ.
Catch the any possible.
When possible say.
Sorry,
I go straight away.
Na unimu na we na agwagware. We share na agwagware.
Na say me yenimu. We know you.
And unimu
adechi na aware na.
Yes.
Unwu adechi because there was a unwu.
Okay.
And you know, I don't know. You see now appear Sambo attend their on Facebook. I see we are listening to you live from Okay. Okay. Ahenama kokobin. Yay. Ahenama kokobin. I see ASTV and also etmere aba just so chia ne ade appear some boating from Ahenama kokobin and also eden the aba. Zuba, you were that boy in as a good producer, Ora Kofi Anton Bafo, KB, and an age media no says sounds on producers not there. Head of sports, Nana Kofi Okaraji man, on a boy to Nyama, I mean, you to me, and the media no, and so a by crop Yasante, a boy Chidom, sounds on a senior on duty, what's an writer commentator, and if he's to me a by DJ Zikibi. Hey! I don't know money. I just want to this year. Yeah, I'm a boy chini. Any am a money tea. Baby, this year done baby aqua. Ziggy, ever this to all. And so boy, trump for this side the gum. And then they list over you. And then they were you me. And in your baby, don't you soon there, Musa? No girls don't know. Don't see our girls dogs are a boy maybe it's me a come DJ Tony and I feel DJ Vice a boy Jeff Akufu Watting and so that's support here my bibia it's me a come Parkwest J PK and also no a boy my bibia it's me a course so come nyame pa china eba I feel so come Kenya yet me abetushi and so no at me Eddie free war na bibia so no at me a come Edino and Nana Kwame Amponsah Addi bet me frame AK a man AK and so no enemy a man PK no it's AK no ben so me be mo nyame pechna e be 1 p.m. Okoman 97.1 muchum kai